Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the money said, ooh.
We are at the grocery store, or in Walmart actually. I really came in here to pick this up. I feel like I needed a few more items. So I'm gonna look around to see what I find. And then we're heading to the Asian supermarket because we need to get a few more stuff there too. I left my lip gloss. You lost. Touched. You wish, Niklaus. First of all, came to the vehicle on my way back into Walmart.
I was in there looking for you.
You called. Where you going with this, Niklaus? It's such a beautiful pumpkin. Though, what do we use it to do?
Decoration.
Yes.
Waking up and last sleeping with some friends last summer. Poolside vibes and fun. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black gown. I'ma put the windows down and under. Was it something you more than call me, baby? Present, style and honor. Can I get your name as a lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do. To step out on you.
We are at Kroger. I'm trying to get like just I love getting cheese. Okay, I want like a small piece of this cheese. That brand, St. Pierre, they usually have really good waffles. I don't see any right now, but yeah, they usually do. I need avocados badly, so let's get some.
So I spent 1 million on you. No, I'm really on Your colors of the rainbow. Your presence just made me feel like a pot of gold. Still struggle to compare you. Your presence like an angel, sound like a brand new hope. What about this talk to some of your teeth? Stop and stare up shakes when you reach down. Jeans get a waistline forever. All of my niggas say, who is it? Stop it up. What about this talk to some of your teeth? Stop and stare up shakes when you reach down. Jeans get a waistline forever. All of my niggas.
It's gluten-free, non-GMO, and is it gluten-free? Yeah, so we're gonna try this.
This one I got you, baby.
Officially. Fruits, vegetables.
Alex, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath,
dairy.
down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. The you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear. You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me?
Just got back. I just got back from the grocery store, and I went to Walmart specifically to pick this up. I'm literally so excited to try this actually. It smells really nice. I wish you guys could smell it. It's a Smoky Mountain and vanilla. I needed something for the bathroom upstairs, so I feel like this is gonna be perfect. This is gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna put this in the shower. And I needed a new lotion, so I got the Strawberry Dream. Honestly, I smelled it in the store. Whew. It smells so. Why am I about it so white? Or something I'm about to see with the one. It smells so good. Ooh, wow. Okay, this should be an advertisement. Look at that. Nourished, moisturize. This actually smells really, really nice. Luckily for me, I already showered, and I'm not going to shower again before I go to my bed. Tomorrow's gonna be a very long day. I have to finish cleaning out the garage because I didn't finish the other day. Oh yeah, this actually smells really nice. So I have to finish cleaning out the garage, and what else do I need to do? I need to finish cleaning out the garage, and I need to haul all our trash up to the front of the street because bulk pickup is on Monday, so I need to get my bulk pickup done. And then I also got some Gillette razors for these because I like the ones that have the little thingy on it. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, whenever you use those kind of blades, if you use them, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave these up here in the bathroom. There we go. But yeah, that is it for my little supermarket haul. We went to 3 grocery stores today: Walmart, H Mart, and Kroger. I feel like I wanted to go to Sprouts, but I did end up getting fruits at H Mart, the Asian store, and Kroger, so I won't need to go to Sprouts this week. So my next grocery haul should be the following week. No, not next week, but the following week, so October, and I'll be getting all my pumpkin spice stuff then. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my little shopping vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video.